Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove connected apps from Google. So let's go to the Gmail or Google first. You have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. Then you have to click on this manage your Google account. Now choose security, the fourth option. Then scroll down till you find your connection to third party applications. Okay, you have to just click on see all connections, and now you can see all connections here. If you want to delete or remove the applications, you have to click on this hrefs like this, then click on delete all connections or click on see details and click on stop using sign in with Google. Click on this, make it confirm, and it's done. Now I'm going to just show you again the second one, Dreamport. Click on third party connection. Now click on Dreamport, choose the application you want to remove. Now you have to click on see details. Now choose stop using with Google account, make it confirm, and then Dreamport also will be deleted or removed. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.